Hey guys, how's it going? Basically, how to withdraw money from Odds96, right? You can see right here the official website, and you're gonna see the payment options. You can withdraw or use the payment methods to deposit or withdraw from your Odds96 bank transfer, AstroPay card, or MobiQuick, or Paytm, or PhonePe, and you're gonna be able to use those methods to deposit funds or withdraw funds from your Odds96 account. If you want to know how to make a deposit, go to the official website, log into your account, go to the balance section, select the deposit option, select the payment system, enter your details, fill in the amount that you wish to deposit, confirm the transaction, wait until the money is credited. Alright, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.